I mean, we, at the present time, we can think of a large computer, let's say, controlling all events in the universe. Essentially, that's what God, if you say God is all powerful, all present, everything, essentially. And you can imagine that if there is a God and who is directing this, let's say, part of a large, with a large computer, that computer at least must be the size of the universe. Right? And therefore, the universe itself is God, and that's what we Hindus believe in. God is ever present, omnipresent, etc. But so there is really, the answer to your question is essentially that yes, it is preordained in the sense that we are all interactions of various atomic forces, and now we are the result of interaction of forces that we do not know and we cannot see. So
I'm telling in loud voice.
okay.
Basically, I'm a sociologist and development analyst. So I want to ask one question that's very haunting me. That if we are talking about the 96% dark energy, so there is a power in cosmic ray which is also affecting the behaviors of the human beings. What the astrologers say, or we have the science, astronomy. So is that dark energy, which 96% unexplored, that is dividing the population on the basis of behavior, is that playing a vital role?
There are other parts of physics that I did not talk about, and one of those things is entanglement. And I don't know whether you've heard the term entanglement. And what happens is the bosons that we talked about, the bosons can occupy the same state. And sometimes you can have two particles. Sometimes you can have two particles that are entangled, in the sense that if one particle is spinning this way, the other particle is bound to spin this way.
So my
If, just one second. If I happen to spin this particle this way, this particle will also go down. Okay, so this part is simple, etc., etc. Now we separate the two particles, and we can separate them by meter, kilometer, 10 kilometers. They're still entangled. That means if I flip this one somehow knows, even though there is no means of communication, that this has changed, and it flips the other way. Okay, so these things are linked by unknown. We can't call them forces because it's a quantum mechanical effect, so the entanglement exists. If you ask me, because you brought up astrology, if the astrologer tells you that Brihaspati is affecting you, I cannot say that there's something there, you are not entangled, because I have to make a great study. So it's possible that there is some entanglement that allows you to communicate beyond physics, beyond physical forces. Because the physicists themselves cannot tell, how does this one know? Even though it's 20 kilometers away, there's no communication, and yet it knows what the other particles do. And this is already established. There's no question that entanglement exists, and entanglement exists at distance. And theory says that even you separate the two particles to the two ends of the universe, they will continue to be entangled. That means somehow the behavior here is being controlled by behavior here, even without any communication. And so,
No, sir, my question was not about the astrology at all. My question was very simple, that 96 unexplored, that what we are listening, because we don't have that much knowledge. Just one question hunting me that 4% already we have explored, what 96% we have not explored. So that 96% which we have not explored, and is there a cosmic science, and if there is a cosmic ray and that has the impact on the human beings, human body, human soul, what we are reading. So is that 96% dark energy is affecting the behavioral therapy of the population, and are they divided on the basis of that?
I cannot answer you because we do not know the properties of the dark matter and dark energy, and therefore I cannot tell you yes or no.
Assume.
But I can only tell you that the cosmic rays themselves are not affecting directly because they are protected by the atmosphere. As they're coming through, even though they're coming at high energy, they're hitting the molecules in the atmosphere and that dispersing, producing the particles. But by the time they hit ground level, the particles do not have sufficient energy to harm you. But every once in a while, the magnetic field of the Earth collapses. It's about what happens once every 10,000 years or so. And when that collapses, some of the protection against cosmic rays also collapses. And that's when you may get some effect. But at present time, we still have a magnetic field around the Earth, so you're okay.
Is there any question or we can conclude? May I ask one more question?
Principal, Higher College, Khoya, Head of the Department of Philosophy, A.K. Dhaka. When I was invited by especially Thailand, who happens to be my friend and our friend, I would not deny the request because I had an opportunity to come to my village. My priority is my village, and secondarily, I can attend this seminar. And as you know, once you get into some administrative post, means you are